Word to your mother. Math is cool.
Well, hello there, 7th graders. Long time no see. I hope you had a great weekend. We're going to learn today unit rate conversions, how to convert unit rates. Super easy. You're going to need scratch paper because we are doing a lot of big multiplication, possible dividing. So make sure that you have scratch paper, so pause the video, go get it. If you have some, even better. You don't think you cannot do this without scratch paper, okay? Well, hello there, 7th graders. Good morning. We are doing an assignment over converting unit rates. You will definitely need scratch paper, no way around it. So let's get busy. I'm going to show you the easiest way I know how. That marker's not going to work. Okay, so we have 340 feet per minute, but we want to go feet to hour. We have to get there. So we're converting. So I have 345 feet, and we're talking about unit rates, so we know single time, one, single time, one, single time, one. One is on the bottom when we're doing unit rates, okay? And it's 1 minute. Okay, now, my goal is to get feet per hour over there. So I have feet on top and I have minutes here. I need to get rid of this minute. So I'm going to have to put on top, I'm going to have to put minutes. And I can put hour down here and minutes per hour. So there's 1 minute per 1 hour, right? I'm sorry, 60 minutes per hour. I'm losing my mind. Okay, so you go 60 minutes, 1 hour. All right, now, these now cancel out, the minute and minute. Remember, if you remember when we cross multiply or we cross reduce or simplify, we can get rid of those minutes. Now we're left with feet per hour. So we just have to do the math. We have feet on top and hours like we wanted. Okay, so now we do 345 times 60. I'm going to leave that 0 hanging off because I got time to do all this math. 5 times 6 is 30. The 0 can stay. The 3 got to go. 4 times 6 is 24. 24 plus 3 is 7. 27. The 7 can stay, but the 2 got to go. 3 times 6 is 18. And 18 plus 2 is 20. So whatever this is goes 20,700 feet per 1 hour. Okay? See how that works? Okay, now I'm going to pause this video, or I'm not going to pause it, I'm sorry. I'm going to stop this video. We're going to do a few more difficult ones, so make sure you have plenty of scratch paper. Okay, guys, this one is going to be just a little bit more difficult. It's going to be kind of confusing, so you may want to rewind, pause, rewind, pause. I don't know. Raise your hand, ask a question. I'm going to move my chair up. We're going to, you're going to need scratch paper, no way around it. All right, so we have 17 centimeters per 1 minute, okay? Labels are important this time. Our goal is to get to meters over hours, okay? My goal is to get to meters over hours. So in order, like we did last week, or actually chapter 1, we've got to get rid of, we can cross reduce our labels. So in order to get rid of minutes, here, I got to put them up here. And I want to get to hours, so I'm just going to go ahead and put hours on the bottom. And we know that there are 60 minutes and 1 hour, okay? And I'll do a different color. I can get rid of the minutes, okay? All right, so now I've got 17 centimeters and hours on bottom. I got centimeters on top and hours on bottom. I need meters on top, okay? So in order to get meters on top, and I still have centimeters. So I need to get rid of centimeters. So I'm gonna put them on bottom, and I'll put meters on top. I know for 1 meter there are 100 centimeters, right? So now I can get rid of centimeters, and now I'm left with meters. I'm left with meters and hours. So I'm just going to do the math. All right, so I need to do 17 times 60, and I'm going to leave that 0 hanging off. Got 0, 2, the 4 can stay, 2 can stay, the 4 got to go. 1 times 6 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so now I have 1020 over 100 hours. All right, so we know this is called, we're looking at unit rates. So there has to be a 1 on bottom. First single time, 1. First single time, 1. Okay, unit rate on the bottom, it's got to be 1. So I'm going to divide these because we also want to look at fractions as division problems now, not as fractions. We want to get rid of this fraction stigma. Let's look at it as division. So divided by 100, okay? 100 goes into 102 one time. Okay, 1 times 100 is 100. I have a 2, won't go in there. Won't go into 20 either, so I'm going to add a decimal. I got to bring it up. 1, it goes in there too. So the answer is 10 2/10 meters per hour. Okay, let's do one more. Let's do this. Ooh, let's do this one. Okay, let's do, it is, let's do 39 feet per minute. And we want to go to yards per second. Okay, we want seconds on bottom. Can't even see that. Go over there. 39 feet per minute. And we're going to go yards to seconds. That's better. Okay, so our goal at the end is yards to seconds, right? Okay, got that at the end. That's my goal. So let's start. 39 feet per 1 minute. Okay, I need to get rid of minute, so I'm going to add it on top. And seconds needs to be on bottom, so I'm just going to do seconds. So there's 1 minute, 60 seconds, right? So you got to be able to think about going back and forth. All right, so now these minutes cancel out. Now I've got feet per second, but I need to be at yards. So I need to get yards on top, and I need feet on bottom. So I know for every 3 feet there is 1 yard, right? So now I can get rid of feet, and now I'm left with all that needs to be on top. I'm left with yards on top and seconds. So now just do the math. Okay, so I have 39 feet, and then 60 times 3, 6 times 3 is 18, add a 0, 180 seconds. Okay, I mean yards, sorry, not feet, yards. Okay, I've got to divide these to get this to 1 because the unit rate needs to be a 1. So I'm going to T-bow this, top and bottom out. 39 goes in the division box. 180 goes out. I already know I'm going to have to add a decimal because this is 3 place values and this is 2. Okay. 180 will go into 390 probably 2 times. I'm just guessing while I'm going to do the math. Yep. Okay, so 2 times 180 is 360. 0, 3. Okay, 0. It will go in one time, right? Because 2 times was 360. So 180. We got 0, 2, 120. 360 won't go in there. And I guess we just go 2 decimal places, and that would have to be 0.21 yards. Okay. Have any questions? Raise your hand. We are done with this lesson. I made a mistake. Okay. So I was done. I did too. Okay, so let's see. 0. Sorry. Okay. So now 180. Let's see. I'm gonna do it times 5. Let's see if I can get close. 180 times 5. 0. 40. The 0 can stay. 4 got to go. 1 times 5 is 5, and 5 plus 4 is 9. Okay, so that's not good enough. So let's see. 180 times 6. Or it maybe get closer. 0 times 6 is 0. 8 times 6 is 48. The 8 can stay. The 4 got to go. 1 times 6 is 6 plus 4 is 10. Oh, yeah, that's close. 6. So let's see. 1080. 0. 2. 1. Okay, so now I can see this is going to be repeating. So actually, this will make that 1 a 2, and it will be 0.22 hundredths per yard. It'll be 0.22 yards per 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry, guys.